everyone, this is Navya. I'm a member of Cultural Committee. So recently we have finished our term test 2. Now it's time for extracurricular activity. So for overall development of students, the academic is not only important, so in the same way extracurricular activity is also important. So with that respect, so KVIRS is organizing a Cultural Fest 2 of academic year 2021 and 22. So before going to the Cultural Fest 2, now I take this opportunity to congratulate all the winners of a Cultural Fest 1 and also all the participants. So we expect the same support and participation in the Cultural Fest 2 also. So now we will just move to the competition, the different competitions we are organizing this time. So this time we are with the 3 different competitions. They are like this. The first one is spell bee competitions, and the spell bee competition is compulsory for all the fairs, since it's a very good competition to increase the memory power and to recollecting ability of a child. So that's why the spell bee competitions will be there for all the Cultural Fest. Okay, and the next one, it's a pick and speak. So children, so the pick and speak will help you to improve your communications and also your vocabulary. So in that respect, a pick and speak is a very good competitions for you. And the last one and the interesting and your corner, that is a mono acting or solo dance. So these are the 3 different competitions we are organizing this time. So before going to the rules and theme for each competitions, now I wanted to tell you so how the competitions will be held. So the competitions will be held through the online portal, where the Zoom link will be sent on the day of competitions, and the students or the participant has to log into the Zoom link. And for each competition, 2 judges will be there, where the judgment of a judge will be the final. For each competition, 3 winners will be announced, that is first, second and third. And this competition will be held on a grade wise. Of each grade, the competition will be held. So now we will just see what are the rules, okay, and what are the sources for each competition. That is, first is spell bee competition. So we know that children, the spell bee is not only held in a school level, so it is one of the most prestigious competition that also held in a national level. So with that respect, so now it's an opportunity to check your memory power and also recollecting ability on the spot. So with that respect, so we are conducting a spell bee competition. So here, so as already you know children, the rules for this competition. So on the day of competition, the judge will ask you the 5 different words for you, okay, where you have to listen to the pronunciation of word and you have to spell the spelling of a word. So example, if the word is like temple, okay, you have to spell like Temple. So like that you have to spell the word. And the students who will spell the maximum number of words will be considered as a winner. Okay, here the timing will also include children. So the timing of your telling the spelling of each word, that one is also considered. The sources for spell bee competition will be your textbook, children. So textbook means it's not only like English or social, so it includes all the textbooks, okay, refer all the textbooks, words, okay, and the next is the story books, okay, that what you read, so that will also can be referred, and one more newspaper, okay. So these are some sources where you can refer the words and you can prepare yourself for the competition. So next one is the pick and speak. So as I told, so it's a very important competitions to build your communication skill, children. So if it's just take an example, if a student is scoring 95 marks but he fails to talk 5 sentences in front of our audience, then the 95 marks will not have any value. So with that respect, all the students have to improve your communications and also vocabulary in a speaking. So with that respect, we are conducting a pick and speak. So where the rules for this competitions will be as follows. So children, for this competition, so you have to choose one number, okay. So you will have a series of number like 1 to 10 or 1 to 20, okay, where you have to pick up any one number. So where the different topics will be written on different number. So for example, if a student chooses number 2, so then in number 2 the topic will be like agriculture. So then you have to talk about our agriculture, like what is agriculture and which type of agriculture we are following. So like that you need to recollect, or you have to arrange your information in such a way that you need to convince or judge. Okay, so here you have a time limit, children. So minimum you have to talk for 1 minute, or maximum it will be 2 minutes. Okay, so here the time limit will be considered. And one more for judgment, children, your communication and the pauses you will give in a speak. Okay, when you are speaking, how much pauses you will give, so that will also take in consideration, and the information what you will present. So all this will be considered for this competition. Okay, so again we will come for our sources, children. So here again the sources will be like the issues what is happening around you. So like your favorite book, or a one day in your village, your favorite dish. Okay, so like the topics will be easy, children, and you can get prepared. So from your newspaper or burning issues like magazines, so these sources you can refer. So these are the rules for a competition 2, that is pick and speak. So now we will move to the very interesting, and all of you are waiting for this competition, that is a mono acting or solo dance. So now, so we have a theme for here, children. So either you need to choose a mono acting or solo dance. So for this we will have a theme. So that theme is festivals. Okay, I think all the children love festivals. Okay, that will be your theme. So where you have to choose any one festival. Okay, that to fall in the month of August to September. You have to choose any one festival. Then you have to prepare your presentation based on that festival. Okay, your acting or dance should support that festival. So here we consider your costume. Okay, you have to dress in such a way that it should convince the festival what you have chosen. So costume and your acting if you are doing acting, and your dance if you are doing that. So these are the things we will take into consideration when we are giving a judgment. Okay, and one more important here, children, the students who want to participate in this competition have to enroll your name 2 days before to your class teacher. You have to give your names to your class teacher before 2 days. This is compulsory. So, and this is the rules and the theme for a mono acting or solo dance. So hope all the competitions are very good, children. I think we expect a more number of students this time participate and take part in this competition, and to make this cultural fest to a grand success. And with that, so all the best, dear children. So just participate well and prepare well for your cultural fest too. Thank you.